Hey everyone, my name is Brittany from Tackle It with Brit here on YouTube. Today I am here with Home Aglow and I am going to be sharing 5 cleaning hacks that you should try in the new year. For hack number 1, you will need a butter knife, a cleaning rag, or you can also use a disinfectant wipe and some water. For this hack, we are going to be focusing on the crack and crevices between the stove and the countertop. Sticky residue and crumbs can get caught in between that stove and the countertop, but by using this hack, you can easily remove and clean that area without pulling out the entire stove. For this hack, you will wet your rag with some warm water, or you can use your favorite cleaning spray. Wrap the rag around your butter knife and glide it inside the crack between the stovetop and your countertop to get all of the crumbs and stickiness removed from that space without removing your whole oven. We are now on to hack number 2, and this is an easy way to clean your couch. For this hack, you will need a microfiber rag, a small pot lid that has a handle, some baking soda, and some dish soap. For this hack, you will fill up a bucket with some warm water, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and combine those ingredients together. Get your microfiber cloth dampened with the water, baking soda, and dish soap mixture, and wrap that cloth around your small pot lid with the handle facing up. Next, you will scrub your couch using circular motions or back and forth motions, removing any stains along the way. This is hack number 3, and I am going to show you the easiest way to clean your baseboards. For this hack, you will need a spray bottle, a cleaning cloth, some water, and some fabric softener. To begin, you will mix 4 parts water, 1 part fabric softener into your spray bottle. Mix it up until it is well combined. Then you will spray it along your baseboard and wipe clean with your cloth. I especially love this hack, not only because it cleans and leaves a nice refreshing scent, but it also helps repel dust and dog hair from sticking to the baseboards in the future so that you don't need to clean your baseboards as often. For hack number 4, we are going to be cleaning our air vent grates, and my hack for this is to get one of these microfiber cleaning mitts, dusting mitts. You can get the full mitt ones for your hands. This one is kind of just like a sponge, but all of these little microfiber pieces really get into the grate, dusting it, getting it very clean and dust-free without needing to go one by one. You can just swipe it over with one of these mitts. We are now on to hack number 5, which will be our final hack for today's video, and we are going to be focusing on dusting the ceiling fans. For this hack, you will need an old pillowcase. You will wrap the pillowcase on each fan blade, removing all of the built up dust on top of the fan blades, and all of the dust will go into the pillowcase, keeping it mess-free from the dust falling on the floor or other furniture in that area. All of the dust will go into the pillowcase. Get a head start on your cleaning resolutions for the new year. With HomeAglow, you can easily book an affordable and top-rated cleaner in your area. Read reviews and schedule online in minutes. That is going to be it for today's video. If you would like more tips and hacks like these, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you again soon. Bye. So fair, yeah, easy.